Alright guys, so for anything like me, this is kind of what your garage looks like, right? Whole bunch of shelving, whole bunch of stuff you do or don't use, right? So I've come up with a way to make it look a hell of a lot better and actually give you some wall space. And this is it right here. So these all roll fairly easy too, I might add. So what we do is we take the measurement of your opening to decide how many partitions we're going to need. They're built accordingly. What we do after that is we lay a track down. This track right here. So these doors have metal brackets here with steel wheels. This is a brake. You stick that wherever you think that you need it to stop. So that's the bottom. And then the top, what we do is we run an L bracket up on top. We have the opposite. That way the door will sit right inside that track. So, and then now you have a wall. So now we're able to play darts. We got three dart boards up here. It also hides all the materials, all your, whatever's on your shelving is now hidden too, right? So for the area that we leave open, because obviously if you don't, or if you have doors the whole way, you won't be able to open anything. What you did here is just threw a beer fridge on this side, and on this side, you see the track ends there, so this Milwaukee toolbox, this stays open at all times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn this door around and I'll show you how I framed that, and then I'll throw it back on and show you what it looks finished. Okay guys, so this is what the back of the doors looks like. This right here is just a sheet of 3/4 inch MDF, and being that the height of these doors is almost 11 feet, and then with this wood, this 2x4, what I did is I dado out the thickness of the sheathing. This is 3/4 inch. I went just under 13/16 so that the sheathing would slide into the 2x4 fairly easy. I did that all the way around. Everywhere that you see a 2x4 is dado. And they're bolted. You see on this one it has the bracket at the front, and on the back it's just bolted through. So this sits on the track. You can see the wheels there. It sits on the track right there, allowing it to roll. So I'm just going to put those back on and I'll show you what she looks like finished. Now you see before, you can see all the shelving and just Milwaukee now. So everything's just made accordingly. And now on this side, this is open. So you have this much more track, which allows for 1 or 2 doors almost to slide that way, allowing you access to whatever area of tools that you need. So say I wanted my chop saw. Slide the store out the way, there's the chop saw. Super simple. The track is we just pre-drilled holes with concrete bit, put some lead anchor fills in there and then screwed it in. Be very careful if you do this when you have in-floor heat. This does have in-floor heat, and if it's done correctly, all your water lines should be to the gravel side, so you shouldn't have much issue hitting things, but definitely keep that in mind. So if you guys have any questions or want to do this at your place, you know I can help you out. You give me dimensions of what you need. It costs a couple of bucks obviously, but it definitely changes the look. It makes it look more like a man cave than it would a shop.